What is up, everybody, and welcome to this tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to implement some page transitions on your Next.js project. As you can see, currently I have two pages, a home page and an about page. But as you can see, I don't have any transition in these pages. Let's fix that. So, probably you have used this amazing library, Framer Motion, that is a animation library for React. But sometimes we need just simple transitions to our Next.js project. For that, in this example, I'll use the Animate.css library, a lightweight solution that will allow us to implement some transitions to our components. So we need to install it as a dependency, or even we can use it with a CDN. So for the current example, I will use it as a dependency. So I run the pnpm install animate.css. Now that I have this library, let's add it to our components. So first I need to import the CSS library, import animate.css. Okay, so in order to apply animations, we need to apply two classes. The animate __ animated that will animate our component, and the correspondent animation. We can use a plenty number of animations. For example, I can use the bounce animation, the shake animation, and the most I like, the fade in animation. So let's use this. For that, I'll apply the animate __ fade in animation. I'll hit on save. Let's see if it works. I need to run my dev server and I'll reload this page. As you can see, now I have a beautiful transition, a beautiful animation for my home page. Let's apply another animation to my about page. For example, the bouncing animation. I'll copy these two classes and I will apply them to my about page and change the animation to bounce in. Let's test it. And as you can see, now I have a beautiful fading transition on my home page and a bounce in transition in my about page. For the current example, I feel the animation a little bit longer. So in order to change that, I can change the duration with these classes. The animate slow, that will make the duration of the animation 2 seconds longer, or the faster class that will make our animation 500 milliseconds longer. Let's try this. Animate faster in my index page and hit on save and reload the page. As you can see, my animation now is a little bit faster, but probably I would like a custom value for this duration, and for that I can edit the animation duration. So let's go to our globals.css file and I can change the animation with these CSS variables. So I'll copy this CSS and paste it on my globals.css file and change the correspondent animation. For example, the fade in animation. I want an animation of 200 milliseconds of duration, and let's test it. As you can see, it's quite fast. This way you can change the animation. Probably you would like to change all the animations globally, and for that you can use these CSS variables. So that's it, but I want to give you some recommendations. Probably you should wrap these classes or apply these classes in a wrapper component. For example, a layout maybe, or a higher order component that will apply this animation to all your pages to avoid to repeat them in every page. Another recommendation, probably you would like to use this library with a CDN. And that's it. So thanks for watching and see you in another video.